Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Toyota Sienna. And as you can see, it's got the power doors. You can't see the other one open up there on the passenger side. Just want to show you, we got the key fob, 2 key fobs, 3 keys here. And what this is, it's a mobility wheelchair accessible van, like most of our vans. This is the LE trim package. I'll get right to the conversion. Has a rear entry, manual, ramp, and door. Pops up, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. I can operate this brand new conversion with 2 fingers. Look here. All I need is 2 fingers. Come over to the other side. This is a real good design. It actually keeps these ramps from rattling around. Has a handle here on the driver's side. I'll utilize the one on the passenger side here, and you can see, look, I'm going to take this to ground with 1 finger. That's all it takes is 1 finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. The ramp itself is 36 inches wide with an 800-pound weight capacity, has a 56 inches of headroom coming inside and over 58 inches on the inside. So yes, this van is ADA compliant. You can use this for your family. It's also eligible for your business. It meets all ADA requirements. Has a total of 8 tie-down points, so it can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. You can see it's got the spare tire over there. Headliner's in great condition. It does have the rear air controls as well. If you can reach those in the back, you can operate them. Controls are also up front. It's got the power outlet plugs. Heated seats as well. It's got the backup camera, dual climate control, so the driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature. There can even be a 3rd temperature in the rear, so you can have 3 different climates going in this van. The dash looks brand new. It's got our checklist up front. We check all our vans. As I back out of the van, and as you get all your passengers secure, and the van does come with 1 free set of ratcheting tie downs. Once you get out of the van, again, I can put that up with 1 finger. Latch it in. Come back and close the trunk, and you're ready to go. Now, on these doors, if for example you decide you want to use this for a handicap taxi and you don't want those power doors running all the time, you can push this button right here, very easy to do. These become manual sliding doors. Very little to go wrong. I'll do a walk around on this van. It's got, like I said, 7,000 miles on it. Very clean. There might be normal wear, small scratches on this van, but you know, black shows everything. This is a very clean van. Has the tinted windows, has the roof rack. Roof is in good condition. I do see 1 small, tiny little nick right here. I don't even know if the camera's going to pick it up. Looks like someone may have got him with a door. But any imperfections I show you on this van, you probably wouldn't notice them unless I show them to you. But our goal with these videos is the very first time you lay eyes on this van, I want you to say to yourself, that's the exact van that Jeremiah demonstrated in the videos. Alloy wheels, all the tires, you know, fairly new, almost brand new, just like the rest of the van. The hood is actually pretty clean. I see real small rock chips on there. Not a whole lot of them. You know, this thing's had a little bit of highway time, of course. Like I mentioned before, the van comes with the 3 keys and 2 key fobs. As far as the interior, it has the electric front seat. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. This van looks and smells just like it should. No unusual odors. Carpets are excellent condition. No signs of any smoke, cigarette burns, anything like that. There's a passenger seat. As I go to turn the van on, you can see the current miles are 7,883. Fan fires up first time, every time. No check engine lights on, no dummy lights, none of that. We've checked all the power mirrors, power windows. We've given this van a complete inspection. I test all these in the videos because I want you to see that when you come into our lot, or if we ship this out to you, everything works. It's not some van where it's got a cheap price and then all of a sudden you get there to look at it and it's got a bunch of issues. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 that idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. We check the frame rails, we check all around the fenders. We look for damage, folks. We look for water damage, we look for accident history. I'm in the same shoes you are when you buy. I don't want something that's been an accident. I don't want something that's been underwater. I don't want something that's been abused. We spend a little extra money. We buy nicer stuff than everybody else. And it shows. That's why we make these videos. That's the air conditioner dripping, of course. Anyone can make these look pretty in pictures. I tell our customers all the time, I don't care who you buy from. I hope it's us. Make sure you get a video. Wherever you're looking at online, tell them to go out. Tell them to crawl underneath their van. Tell them to get you a video. Folks, I can buy these vans online all day. From New York and New Jersey and Chicago. And they're all rusted out underneath. Yeah, and I can buy it for $1,500 less. I can pocket that money. But I don't do that. That's not how we do business. Know who you're buying from. And if they won't come out and get you a video like this, if they won't spend 20, 30 minutes, then who are you buying from? And when you buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions, you're buying from a company that has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're out here on 100 Degree making a video. The owner of the company is crawling around on the ground underneath this van, so you know exactly what you get. We go the extra mile. Let's take the van on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway, drive them hard so you can see whether you come pick it up or whether we ship it to you, that this van is absolutely roadworthy and there's no surprises. So let's see if we can get this van up to around 70 miles an hour. So you've got up to about 70. See, the steering wheel is very steady. It's not rocking back and forth. I've got the cruise control set about 60. Drives real nice down the highway like a brand new van. Now, I know there's a lot of competition out there, a lot of people selling mobility vans. What you need to ask yourself, or ask the people you're comparing us to, is first of all, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 reviews on eBay? All of them positive, 0 negative. Folks, that's 500 people that said something good about us. 0 said something bad about us. Do they have a reputation like that? Reputation matters. Do they offer free shipping to your home or business? We pay the average shipping rate anywhere in the lower 48 states to get this van to your home or business. Ask them, do they do free shipping? Also ask them, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? That is not the way we do business, folks. What you see is what you get on our prices. We have nothing to hide. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this ramp here. No squeaking, no grinding, no unusual brake noise. The steering is very tight up front. So again, braking's all great. The last thing, back to my point, was do they get outside? Do they make a video for you? Do they crawl around on the ground when it's 100 degrees out? Because we obviously do, because you're watching this video right now. So if you ever like to come take a look at one of our vans, please be sure to give us a call. Sometimes we're out doing stuff like this. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. You'll probably get myself or Micah. And if you want to check out our inventory, check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. We are also open in Dallas, Texas now. We started a little business, that little store down there. www.bigtexmobility.com. So check us out, either one. They both take you to the same website. We have our Dallas inventory and our Wichita, Kansas inventory all on the same page. I know this is a big investment for you. If you ever want to see it before you buy, we can put this van on a trailer. We can bring it out to your house. Now, folks, we can't work for free, but we can work for a very reasonable rate. Call us. Let's see what we can work out. So thank you for checking out our van. And as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.